Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. This is the iFi iPowerX. It's basically a power supply that comes in different configurations. So welcome back everyone that's new, that's already subscribed. If you're new to the channel, hi. I do a lot of audio reviews, headphones in particular, or audio related products. I also look at the smartphone cameras. I'm a photographer. I answer all questions. You can catch me on my socials, Twitter and Instagram. And yeah, that's me. So on this review, I'm going to show you what's in the box, and then I'm going to come back and talk about sound quality. So in a nutshell, before we do that, just so you're wondering what this is, it's simply an AC/DC power adapter, but does it well. Let's go and check what's in the box. So here we have the box for the iFi iPowerX. It comes in various configurations, so make sure you get the right one that you need. This is the 5 volt 3 amp. You can see the other options that you get there. Taking a look at the side here, it features active noise cancellation. It has 20 times leakage capacitance reduction, various different output arrays to improve dynamic noise suppression, and there's a reverse polarity adapter for center pin negative products. If we look at the box itself, its input capacity is 50% larger. And this is their sort of updated product. It's one of their range of ultra low noise AC/DC adapters. It can be used for iFi products. I use it on a particular, the Zen DAC, the version 2. And obviously you can use it with lights, all sorts of different, anything that basically needs charging this way. It's quite amazing really. And because of the various features it has, the filtrations, the capacitive output is larger, you get improved sound quality, less noise. Actually, for the majority of the products that I actually use, I do try and feed a lot of my stuff clean mains. It's really important. Be surprised, it does make a difference. Instead of spending thousands on new gear, just make sure the supply that you're powering your devices is clean, and you'll be amazed at the difference you get. So let's take a look at what you get in the box. Obviously I have been using this, so I've taken out the actual plug itself, but I'll show you that in a lot of depth in a second. So what do you get inside the box? Well, I've opened this before because I've been using it quite actively. I'll come back to the actual plug itself. You can see it's very substantial. If you're using the sort of 2-pin plug, you have that as well. You have the option to show you the end. If you're using USB-C or micro USB, you plug into so, and then you can now use it for USB-C devices, which is so handy. And then you've got the same option here for micro USB. But what you might have is a whole host of different size plug holes to put in. And again, you've got various adapters here that allow you to do that, and they're coded as well, HC. You've got a G, and we have here an F. And then what you also have is you've got the polarity adapter. So this is the center pin negative. For center pin negative products, you can actually use the adapter, which is sealed, which is excellent. If we take a look at the iPowerX plug itself, you can see it's quite substantial, really well made. This is the 5 volt 3 amp, and yeah, very good. Decent amount of cable as well, and your plug there. So then we're going to talk more about the actual sound quality and using it in real day to day, and go from there. So you've seen what's in the box. So what do I think of this particular product? Well, I really like some of the accessories that come with it for a start. So from a practicality, you can use it with your DC devices. It has a USB-C adapter, micro USB, so you can power cleanly those types of devices. So if you're using it for lights, it can stop flickering effects that you get when you're filming video. If you're listening to audio gear, this is actually really good with some of the iFi's own gear using this. You just get a much cleaner sound. I can't tell you how important it is that when you're listening to, especially audio gear or using it for lights or anything, to make sure that your supply of electricity to that device is the best you can get, or at least you've done something to improve it. There is no product I have in my studio at the moment that isn't going through some form of process for having cleaner supply, and it does make a lot of difference. And a lot of people will think, oh, I need to upgrade my DAC. I've got to upgrade my DAC. I need to spend, get the next one up in price. What I would do is clean your electricity. Something using the iPowerX makes a world of difference. You get improved, the noise floor comes down, the dynamics improve. It's just like a veil on some of your music. It's lifted. Now, some really expensive pieces of audio equipment, I'm talking very expensive, will have some of this technology included, because those companies know how important it is to have decent quality supply of electricity to your components. I just don't think you can go wrong. So it does come in various configurations as well. This is a very, very good piece of kit. I highly recommend it. If you've got any questions on it, ask below, I'll try and answer them. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets.